guys, busy book worksheets for your kiddo. These ones are mixed and matched by a mommy for Clarence Zachary. Meron siyang set A and may other activities na pinagsama-sama para maging isang one book. Set A is our bestseller for starters and yung mga laman, colors, numbers, lines. We also have here yung clay name, and then we have here isa sa mga nagiging bestseller namin ngayon yung profession. Imagine para silang naglalaro ng paper doll, pero this one is for boy. Meron din kami for girl. Ayan, may builder, astronomer, may mga places to go to pa. Imagination nila yung magagamit nila dito. And then we have here the weather for today na movable, pwede nyo ilagay sa wall. And then another set of the BC board na meron mo ng free chart, and then the parang test sheet na kung saan nyo lalagay yung mga answers, and then ayan yung mga paper dolls, and then yung Velcro pieces.